Okay, pull the full bins out. Next trailer, keep it moving, let's go.
All right, pull forward onto the scale, driver. Make sure it's centered. We'll get you to bay 3.
Keep them coming, and we need this shipment processed by noon.
Quality control has already cleared the first bin.
The color saturation is excellent on this lot. We're seeing less than 5% defects on the line today.
Fibre separation here is excellent. Yeah. Yes, much better than yesterday's run.
Through gentle aeration, we guarantee the highest level of cleanliness and water clarity.
This batch meets our quality standards. Approved for packaging.
Approved product, quality achieved, the final stage approaching. A systematic flow, a premium product stream, the success pathway.
Experience the vibrant freshness of our ruby pomegranate arils, a beautiful addition to any dish.
The chromatography results confirm the purity level is within tolerance.
Yes, the mass spec data aligns perfectly. The evaluation is complete.
The OEE for the last 4 hours is at 92%, exceeding target.
Noted. Are there any alarms pending on line 3?
It's ready. The zero waste goal achieved.
And the quality looks excellent.
Look at the data stream here. It's perfectly stable.
Incredible. This is exactly what we needed for the Mark V integration. This really captured the brand evolution we discussed. The creative process paid off.
I didn't expect
Yeah.
that. This specific label works best for the presentation.
Yes.
Welcome to the facility. As you can see, our robotic arms handle the precision assembly, allowing us to maximize efficiency and transparency in the process.
I want to recognize the incredible teamwork that made these achievements possible. Our corporate culture is
The journey completes here. Fresh pomegranate products, perfect for your healthy lifestyle. Find us in the juice aisle.
I'm so glad I found this. It's my favorite juice.
It's very popular.
That will be $5.99.
Fresh, healthy, and absolutely delicious.
Another beautiful morning to our health.
Cheers. It looks wonderful, honey.
Can we have some more?
Discover the scientific data behind pomegranates. Rich in antioxidants and essential vitamins, they boost your wellness score.
Water usage is down 20%.
And emissions are below target. We're setting a new standard.
The collaborative environment here is truly unique.
We take real pride in what we build.
It's the human element that makes our culture so positive.
Well done. So if we implement this, the water usage decreases significantly.
But will the quality of the pomegranates remain the same?
Yes,
The journey is complete. A successful system delivering the freshest ingredients from our farm directly to your table.
We pick them fresh from the orchard. Then the automated line sorts and packs them for the consumer.